The study guide for section 4.3 that's on transversals and corresponding angles. Just like all the study guides, they give you some nice information at the top. If you have parallel lines that are cut by a transversal, then the pairs of angles that are congruent are these blue ones, corresponding, alternate interior and alternate exterior. The consecutive interior angles are not necessarily congruent, but we know that they are supplementary. So that's the one that's different than the others. They also work you through a couple examples. In this diagram, there's two lines that are parallel. They tell you in the directions that they're parallel, and they also mark it on the diagram. They're telling you that angle 1 is 76 degrees and angle 2 is 47 degrees. And what you have to do is find the measure of each angle. I have a lot of room down here, so what I'm going to do is take this opportunity to redraw the diagram using only 3 lines. I'm definitely redrawing line P and Q because those lines are the most important lines in the picture because they're parallel. Then I'll decide which transversal to draw on. Once I do that, make sure that you transfer over the angles correctly. So this is a very simple diagram that we've done many times. If you know that angle 1 is 78 degrees, you can find the measures of the other angles. For example, angle 5 corresponds with that 78 degree angle. So it's going to be 78 degrees as well. We know that our corresponding angles are congruent when lines are parallel. Now you also know that consecutive interior angles like 1 and 4, they need to be supplementary. So angle 4 must be 102 degrees. Angle 4 corresponds with angle 3. So angle 3 is also 102 degrees. That was a very simple version of this diagram. Now, if you want to find the other angle measures, what you're going to need to do is redraw the picture again. So I'm going to draw line P and line Q. And I'm going to draw the other transversal this time. We know that angle 2 is 47 degrees. Its vertical angle would then be 47 degrees. Its alternate interior angle would be 47 degrees. The other angles are going to be supplementary to it. These are your acute angles. Angle 6 and angle 9 are obtuse angles. So notice how these make a linear pair. So that angle's got to be 133 degrees. And notice how it's alternate exterior with angle 9. So they're the same. So a lot of times I just enjoy working on the diagram and then answering the questions after. So angle 6 is 133 degrees. Angle 7 is 47 degrees. Angle 8 is 47 degrees. Angle 9 is 133 degrees. If you just left your answers on a diagram that's drawn separately, that would be acceptable too.